If you need to create an invoice, you can do so from the sales option on the menu. You can do that directly from each customer, or you can simply click on invoices. From the invoices menu, you can create an invoice. Let's do that right now. First, choose your customer. If you need to add a new customer, you can do that from here. But let's choose Christy. As you can see, all her information has come through. And now let's add the invoice number, the invoice date, and the due date for the invoice. Now let's add the line items, quantity, and price for this invoice. If you're selling a service that is taxable, don't forget to collect taxes. If you are done adding lines to the invoice, simply click on Save and Preview. If your invoice looks great and it's ready to send, click on Send, and it'll send your invoice directly to your customer.